Hello, and welcome to Purposefully Passionate About Property, where property meets purpose and passion turns into powerful investment decisions. I'm your host, Chantal Monsemi, and every week we bring you the most exciting local and international property investment opportunities, helping you build wealth through smart real estate choices. Whether you're investing in South Africa or exploring global markets, this is where your property journey begins with intention. Let's go into this week's property headlines. Coastal property boom. Investors flock to lifestyle hotspots. Affordable buy-to-let deals in Gauteng deliver solid yields. Middle East surge. Dubai, Saudi, and Oman lead high-yield returns. Portugal and UK. Stability, lifestyle, and long-term growth. Coastal property boom. Investors flock to lifestyle hotspots. Strong semigration trends continue to drive demand in Cape Town, the Garden Route, and KwaZulu-Natal North Coast, creating prime opportunities for capital growth and holiday rental income. Affordable buy-to-let deals in Gauteng deliver solid yields. Johannesburg, Midrand, and Pretoria remain buy-to-let gold mines with high tenant demand, strong rental returns, and entry-level pricing for smart investors. Middle East surge. Dubai, Saudi, and Oman lead high-yield returns. Tax-free income in Dubai, mega developments in Saudi Arabia, and emerging coastal opportunities in Oman are positioning the region as a global investment powerhouse. Portugal and UK. Stability, lifestyle, and long-term growth. From Lisbon's tourism-driven rental demand to Manchester and London's resilient property market, European investments continue to offer security and steady appreciation. And now, it's time for our premium visual tours. Enjoy!
Hey there, Nadia here from Chop International. Welcome to Golden Gates Estate. Today, we're taking you on a tour of this super spacious, ultra stylish 6-bedroom mansion, your potential home. Bespoke elegance awaits you at every turn. Exquisite lighting, chic flooring, artistic paint effects on the walls, luxurious bathrooms, a gourmet kitchen, and a majestic master suite where you can rest and play. Take a look. Thanks for joining us. Ready to make it yours? DM or call me on 079 7799 222 for more info or to book a viewing. See you soon.
If you're looking for character, comfort, community, and convenience, look no further than this secluded, secure, multi-dwelling small holding in Brazil Centurion. Hi everyone, Nadia here from Chop International. Welcome to your family's private oasis. This charming 765 square meter, all single level property set within an intimate gated complex close to suburb amenities is ideal for multi-generational or extended family living. In addition to the main 3-bedroom house, there are also 2 self-contained flatlets. But that's not all. You'll also find a functional borehole, sprawling gardens, a sparkling pool, and fully equipped larder. Perfect for large-scale entertainment. See for yourself. Ready to make this your own private family retreat? Where young and old can live, work and play. DM or call me on 079 7799 222 for more info or to book a viewing.
So that's it for today. I'm your host, Chantal Monsemi, reminding you, when you invest with intention, you live purposefully passionate about property.